Say, what are the challenges you faced in Selenium automation? What are the challenges you faced in Selenium automation? This is very important real-time question. See the answer, and you have to prepare your own answer, your own explanation. Okay. Say, I have faced so many challenges in my current project test automation using Selenium. Ours is enterprise application, insurance domain, and operating environment is Windows 10, that is client side, and server side is Windows 2008 server. Okay. Next, as per the customer requirement, we need to conduct browser compatibility testing. Browser compatibility testing also, apart from main functional testing. Okay. Our Selenium test scripts were executed properly in Mozilla Firefox browser. But in IE, nowadays new name is Microsoft Edge. In IE, Internet Explorer browser, we faced so many issues like timeout problems, synchronization problems. Later we rectified those problems, but we faced it. And finally, we found that IE browser is slower than Firefox browser in test case execution. Next, we faced some difficulties in handling dynamic objects, dynamic elements in our web pages. We faced some difficulties in handling dynamic elements in our web pages. Next, and we faced some problems in extracting data from some web tables in our application and extracting data from dynamic web tables. Okay. Next, in our AUT, AUT stands for application under test. In our AUT, so many uploading and downloading file scenarios, and there is no any direct command to upload or download files from web page using Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Next, we faced some challenges in handling multiple pop-up windows. In our AUT, so many pop-up windows. We can handle pop-up windows using Selenium, but in our application, some pop-up windows were not handled using regular methods. Okay. Next, all of you familiar with this concept. Bitmap comparison was not supported by Selenium, so we manually did this. And finally, it is not the challenge. We have spent more time than expected on Selenium automation due to framework implementation and no built-in object repository in Selenium and no built-in result report facility in Selenium. Thank you.